Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can run troubleshooters on Windows 11. So if you have a trouble, if you have a or if you need help because of or due to some reason, like a Bluetooth network not working, your Wi-Fi is not working, you can run troubleshooter from your Windows 11. So in order to do it, you can access settings, you can search, or you can click on Windows Start icon and click on settings. Here you can click system, you can scroll down and try to find the troubleshoot option. Recommended troubleshooters preferences history. Here you can try to adjust first. You can run the recommended troubleshooter preferences. You can run automatically or ask before running, and here other troubleshooters, you can click it. Now you can choose what what issues that encounter right now. For example, the most frequent issues is the audio, network and internet, printer and Windows update. For example, let's try Windows Media Player and click Run, and here Get Help will pop up. So we are here to help. Tell us your problem so we can get you to right help and support. Here you can write your issues so we can help diagnose your problem by running the Windows Media Player troubleshooter. So you can would you like us to run this troubleshooter on your device? You can click yes and let the Windows checking your errors. So after that, you can follow the instruction in order to use this help and fix your problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.